Okay, welcome back. For those of you who saw the inside of what the listing referred to as a barn, really a 1930s workshop, we're going to show you the outside finally. Not very pretty on this side, but do you think we can turn it into a wedding venue? There's a reason, good reason why. Let's take a walk. Overlook all the garbage. What's gone of them. It's windier now than it was when we first got here. That's the new thing. So for those of you who are not from Oregon, you may know that we're known for our green, our trees, our beauty, mountains. So this is why we want to turn it into a wedding. Because it's gorgeous back here. All the rolling hills, all the variations of green. It's beautiful. And oddly enough, Bellevue means beautiful view. So it's perfect. So this would be the backdrop to the wedding. This is what you would have behind you. And it's going to be a lot of work. It'll take a while. And we have to get approval from the county. But that's a long-term goal. The backside looks better than the front side. But the inside is beautiful wood beams from the 30s. And we want people to be able to see it and enjoy it. And so that's part of the plan. God, these blackberries are brutal. And then this side might actually turn into an area where it could be a small outdoor wedding if somebody preferred that. I think this site could be really cool. This is a little love. So what do you think? Can we do it?